Hey, if Bluetooth isn't working on your Windows 11 PC, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to connect headphones, speakers, or other devices. The good news is most Bluetooth issues are easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get it working again. So let's get started. First, make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. Go to Settings, Arrow Devices, Arrow Bluetooth and Devices, and confirm that the Bluetooth toggle is on. Next, restart the Bluetooth service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, hit Enter, then find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and select Restart. If it's still not working, update your Bluetooth drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your adapter, and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. Another easy fix: run the built-in troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow, Troubleshoot, Arrow. Other troubleshooters: Arrow, Bluetooth, Arrow, Run. Follow the prompts and see if Windows can fix it automatically. Sometimes the issue is with the device itself. Try removing your Bluetooth device and pairing it again. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, select the device, click Remove, then pair it fresh. Also make sure airplane mode isn't turned on. Yeah. This can disable Bluetooth entirely. Check the Action Center or Settings, Arrow Network, and Internet Arrow Airplane Mode. Finally, if nothing works, restart your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot resets everything and gets Bluetooth working again. And that's it. One of these steps should get Bluetooth working again on Windows 11. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.